Hello kindergarten and welcome to your lesson for Writing for Thursday. Today we are doing something similar to what you did in Reading with Miss Pappadam. We are doing some questions for our Farmer Duck story. So we are learning to ask questions to one of the characters in Farmer Duck so that we understand the text, and that's your same learning intention from reading. But our success criteria is a little bit different. We are successful when we can write questions to one of the characters in the text using the question starters who, what, when, where, and why. On the slides, I also have put the 6 questions video. I know you've watched it heaps of times before, but if you would like to refresh your memory, you can watch that as well. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, which I'm sure you've already done in reading, is you need to pick a character and come up with some questions for that character. So the same questions that you did for reading, you are now going to write for writing. If you can remember them, otherwise just make up some more. Okay, so Farmer Duck questions. I've just written a little title there so I remember what I was doing. Okay, when we are writing questions, we still have to start with a full stop like we do for our normal writing. Oh my goodness, start with a full stop. Miss Oscar, are you crazy? Start with a capital letter, but we always need to end with a full stop. I'm going bananas. It's nearly the end of the week. Okay, so I have chosen today to ask the farmer some questions. All right, my first question is going to be a why question. So I am starting with a capital W. Why are you so lazy, farmer? And remember, question mark at the end. All right, and remember, this can be like an interview, how Miss Pappadam had her little microphone and she was pretending to interview the characters. That's what you're doing, coming up with some interview questions. All right, why are you so lazy, farmer? So if you're doing the farmer as for your questions, you might want to ask a similar question to that. And don't forget, you can choose Farmer Duck, you can choose some of the other animals. It's completely up to you. What is another question I want to ask the farmer, I think? I know. When, I'm going to change it, so I'm going to do a when question starter. When are you going to get out of bed and help Farmer Duck? All right, and remember, always end with a question mark when we are asking a question. We still need to make sure that we have our capital letters at the start, that our questions make sense, and that we do have finger spaces. I'm rereading this one. When are you going to get out of bed and help Farmer Duck? Awesome. All right, so today your job is to go and write your questions. Remember, on Seesaw, there are 3 different options for you to choose for this task. Have fun!